Hey, what up? It is your girl MD and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you head out. One thing that I am doing during our hair challenge is incorporating some type of DIY, so I thought that I would share with you guys one that I have made recently. Today we're going to be talking about Amla oil and the amazing benefits that it has for your scalp and hair growth. Maybe you have made Amla oil before or some type of Amla concoction. I know a lot of you guys have, but I ended up buying this brand of Amla oil because it had amazing reviews, came highly recommended. Being the absolute genius that I am, I did not actually read the ingredients until I had purchased it and it was too late to return it. The ingredients were just horrible, or it just was not to my liking. So I just decided to make my own. But obviously if it works for you, that's all that matters. Okay, so let's stop talking and let's get to making. The ingredients that I am using is coconut oil and amla powder. Obviously you can add essential oils if you want. You can use a different oil, whatever your preference. Okay, so this is the second time that I've made this. I kind of got a little ahead of myself. What I want you to do is add your oil to the pan, and then you are going to heat that oil up for maybe like 3 to 5 minutes on a low heat. Then you're gonna add your amla powder to your heated oil, and then you're just going to mix it together. Do 4 to 5 tablespoons of your oil, and then maybe 1 tablespoon of the amla. So if you do a little bit more oil, then you can add a little bit more amla. Again, I don't really feel like there is a right or wrong way to do it. Bring that mixture to a boil. P.S. We're not boiling it for a long period of time. Literally just bring it to a boil, then we're good. Once you bring it to a boil, then you're gonna turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. So I took it off the burner and I just let it cool on the counter. So once it was fully cold, took the cheesecloth, put it over a mason jar or whatever container you're gonna put it in, and you're just gonna slowly pour and separate the oil from whatever leftover powder that didn't, get in the mix. Throw that out. Not unless you have some other innovative thing that you're doing with it. And still, you see that I have a good amount of product in the bottom of my pan and even some in my cheesecloth, and that is completely normal. And really, you're good to go. You could use it like this. You can slightly warm it up, apply it to your scalp, apply it to your hair. For those that don't know, amla oil comes from Indian goji berry. It has numerous benefits for the hair and scalp. It's rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, fatty acids. It's loaded with minerals, vitamins, amino acids, other micronutrients. Amla has endless health benefits, especially when it comes to solving hair-related issues. It's referred as the superfood for hair. High key, the miracle fruit. It can be consumed or used topically. It promotes hair growth, conditions the scalp, minimizes gray, boosts volume, reduces dandruff, reduces thinning, and adds a shine to the hair strands and treats lice. Obviously, that is just a little snippet of what Amla does, but I encourage you to look it up and do your own research because it might be something that you like and you will find beneficial in your routine. That was pretty simple and you can easily make that yourself. Let me know a DIY that you have done recently or even your favorite go-to. I will always be a DIY girly, and trust and believe anytime that you guys suggest or recommend any recipe to me, I always copy and paste it into my notes. I always look forward to hearing what you share in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and like always, I love you, I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.